I want to talk about unity because unity can allow us to overcome situations that are overwhelming. A unity is when we gather ourselves, when we can do something together as a family, as a country, or as a team, so that we can overcome devil and all the negativity that can lead us into some issues that will not allow us to work together. When we are together and when we are standing as one, we can be able to have a freedom from all kinds of negativity. So that's why it's very important if we can group ourselves with one goals, one heart, one idea, where we can be able to do something together. We can defeat things that are degrading us, things that do not allow us to move forward. Because without unity, obstacles are there to stop us from reaching our goals. So as a people who would like to move forward, we need to think and rethink again. How are we going to overcome all the situations that our people are facing? Because without unity, we will never thrive, we will never produce anything. Because without unity, there's only destruction and division. The reason why I like to talk about unity, or I want you to understand how unity is very important when it comes to our life. Our very existing, we exist because there are unity. Unity means peace, unity means love, unity means care. Because one or two people can never gather themselves and do something without having love to do that. First thing is we need love, and when there's a love, there's a unity, and when there's a unity, there is peace in between. We can overcome anything in this world, any negativity that can break us, we can overcome it with unity. But without unity, we can never do anything. And that's the reason why we are losing large number of people in rural, even in urban area. So how can we overcome all this negativity that our people are going through? We need to have a love that cares. And this is why now I'm asking you, how do you show that you love God? How do you show me that you love God? This is a question that you should answer on your own. How do I show that I love God? Or do you simply go to your room and pray? Praying do not solve anything. You can pray as you like, but if you pray, you come out and you do not show love to your followers or to the God that you are praying to, creations, it means that your prayer or what you are praying for is zero. You are the solution to all this problem, not your prayer. If you can be able to touch your heart and tell your heart that I'm God's creation and I should also love God's creation, and mean that you love God. But if you simply saying that I love God and you do not show to the God creation that you love God, there's no way for us to have unity or love. This is why we are falling apart. That's the reason why people are dying, people are suffering. If you go to believe right now, this rainy season, children are suffering because the land that their family or the parents supposed to cultivate this time is being occupied by the armies. So the place is turning to war zone, so there's no way for the family to cultivate and employ their family. This is very hard for anyone in this time. So unity is very important because we can overcome things that cannot be overcome by individuals, because some negativity cannot be overcome by one person, but by all people who gather themselves to fight disunity and fight negativity, so that they will have a freedom to express whatever they feel, a freedom to live a peaceful life, a freedom to love whoever they want. So this is very important for unity. If you are somebody who want other people to move forward, please spread love. Stop ignoring, hating one another. Spread love to God creation. And this is how we can show that we love God in real life. Because God will never come in a physical form. He will never. But through you loving somebody, God's love can be seen. But if you are simply praying and you do not care about God's creation, you do not love God. You have something else that you believe in. Because believing in God, it means that you have to care about others. You need to show them your love. You are a leader. You need to show your people that you love them by caring for them, by giving them their needs. You have to provide what is there, because a loving person will understand that there's nothing there. And your people can never force you to do something which you don't have in your possession. But people tell you, do this for us, because they know that you have it. But if you don't have it, why do you have to pretend? You tell them that I do not have this one. And you tell them that what can we do? What can be done? What should we do as a team? But you don't have to be a boss. You need to be a leader. Leader move together with these people. But boss simply want to work for his chair, for his seat, for his position. He does not care about the people that he's leading. But a leader cares for anyone. Anyone. He or she can move with these people together without dividing them, without segregating them, without telling them lies, but truth, so that they live a peaceful life without doubting his leadership. Please, if you find this message useful, share it with friends and family. Thank you.